In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Solana on Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you must have is a Phantom Wallet, of course the account, and then because you can't sell Solana directly on the Phantom Wallet, you will need to have another exchange on account on, for example, Coinbase or let's say Binance or something like this, and we will have to basically send your Solana from the Phantom Wallet to your exchange where you can then exchange it for USD or Euros or whatever currency you're using, and then you can basically sell it that way. So the way you do this is quite simple. You want to open up your Phantom Wallet and you first want to click on send, and after this you want to click on Solana, and over here you will have to type in recipient Solana address and then the amount. So of course the amount can be set right away because you can just select how much Solana you would like to send and then sell, and this recipient Solana address is going to be what I'm going to show you how to get right now. So what you want to do, for example, if you are using Coinbase like me over here, what you can do is basically just go over here to where it says receive crypto, or in case you are using Binance or anything else, it should be quite similar. Now you want to click on receive crypto, and over here right now it says for me I have to confirm my info because I haven't done that for quite a bit of time. However, when you click this, so receive crypto, you'll be able to then select Solana, so the Solana coin, and after that you will get an address. Now once you get that address, simply go back to Phantom, and then you want to go back to send and Solana. You want to select the amount as we said, and then you want to paste in the address you received while clicking receive crypto and selecting Solana on either Coinbase, Binance, or any other exchange. Once you do this, click on next and then continue and send, and once you confirm it, after a few minutes, it usually takes like 1 to 5 minutes, sometimes 10 or a bit more, you will be able to see that your Solana has been sent from your Phantom Wallet to your exchange, and then on the exchange you can go to convert over here or swap or whatever you're using, and then on the exchange you can then convert that Solana into USDT, and that way you've successfully sold your Solana for US dollars or whatever currency you are using. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.